Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we'll dive into the recipe and cooking tips for making the perfect Middle Eastern biryani. Let's get cooking. Omani Biryani. Omani biryani carries a zesty kick that makes it truly stand out. A defining feature here is the use of lime and dried black limes, Loomi, which infuse the dish with an unmistakable tangy, slightly smoky flavor. This ingredient is unique to Omani cuisine and gives their biryani a brightness that sets it apart. The choice of protein in Oman's biryani varies, but lamb or goat is particularly popular. These meats are often marinated with a mix of spices like turmeric, cinnamon, and cumin, along with a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice. For an added twist, Omani biryani sometimes includes Sambal-like chili pastes, which bring a spicy heat that complements the tanginess of the lime. The rice itself is typically colored and flavored with saffron, offering a subtle floral aroma that ties together the savory and acidic elements of the dish. Garnished with fried onions and sometimes boiled eggs, Omani biryani shines as a balance of bold flavors and textures. This variation is often enjoyed alongside yogurt-based sauces or pickles, which add extra layers of creaminess and tang. Iraqi Biryani. Iraqi biryani takes a slightly lighter, fresher approach compared to some of its regional counterparts. While the spices remain central, the blend is milder and less pronounced, letting the other ingredients shine. A hallmark of Iraqi biryani is the addition of fresh vegetables, making it a more colorful and textured dish. You'll typically find ingredients like carrots, peas, potatoes, and sometimes even green beans mixed into the rice, resulting in a dish that feels hearty but not heavy. Unlike the intensely spiced biryanis from neighboring regions, Iraqi biryani opts for a more subtle seasoning. Common spices include cinnamon, cardamom, and nutmeg, which are balanced with a touch of turmeric for a delicate golden hue. The meat, whether chicken or lamb, is usually steamed or slow-cooked separately and arranged over the rice just before serving. Another unique addition to Iraqi biryani is the use of vermicelli. These thin, toasted noodles are often mixed in with the rice, adding an unexpected yet delightful crunch. A handful of raisins and slivered almonds are also scattered over the top for a hint of sweetness and texture. Iraqi biryani exudes comfort and simplicity, making it a favorite for family meals while still holding its own at festive occasions. It's less about spice intensity and more about creating a harmonious balance of flavors that highlight the natural essence of each ingredient. Cultural and festive importance of biryani in the Middle East. Biryani is far more than a flavorful dish in the Middle East. It's a symbol of shared experiences, community, and celebration. Deeply rooted in the region's culture, it plays a starring role in religious festivities and family gatherings, reflecting values of hospitality, unity, and tradition. Let's explore how this beloved meal holds such a cherished place in the hearts and homes of many. Biryani and religious festivities. In the Middle East, biryani is a centerpiece during religious celebrations, marking moments of joy and abundance. Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, two of the most important holidays in the Islamic calendar, wouldn't feel complete without it gracing many dining tables. During these festive days, families prepare generous portions of biryani to share with relatives, neighbors, and even those in need. It's a way to spread not just food but also goodwill and blessings. Ramadan, a sacred month of fasting, is another time when biryani takes the spotlight. After a day of abstaining from food and drink, many families choose to break their fast, iftar, or celebrate the end of Ramadan, Eid, with a hearty meal of biryani. Its rich, satisfying flavors and nourishing ingredients make it the perfect dish to regain energy and enjoy with loved ones. Whether it's lamb, chicken, or seafood biryani, the layers of fragrant rice and tender meat feel like a reward after a month of spiritual reflection. Biryani is also common during weddings, religious gatherings, and charity meals. It carries a sense of generosity and festivity that aligns perfectly with the spirit of these occasions. Preparing biryani in large quantities to serve guests or distribute to the less fortunate is seen as an act of care and kindness, embodying core values of Middle Eastern culture. Symbol of family and hospitality. In Middle Eastern households, offering biryani is one of the most genuine ways to express hospitality. It's not just a dish. It's a gesture of warmth and welcome. When guests come over, serving biryani signals that they're valued and appreciated. After all, its preparation requires time, effort, and a loving touch, qualities that make it more than just a meal. In family settings, biryani is about building bonds and creating memories. Picture this. A table filled with fragrant plates of biryani, everyone gathered together, sharing stories and laughter. This is a typical scene in the Middle East, especially during weekends or special occasions. Eating biryani often means sitting together, sometimes on large shared platters, reinforcing the sense of togetherness that's so central to the culture. The preparation itself can also be a group effort, bringing families closer as they collaborate in the kitchen. From marinating the meat to layering the rice, every step becomes an opportunity to connect. This is especially true for large gatherings where elders pass down recipes, ensuring that the unique flavors of a family's biryani are preserved for generations. Beyond the family, it's common for communities to come together over biryani. During weddings or public events, it's often served in massive portions to feed crowds, exemplifying the communal spirit of the region. Biryani, in this sense, isn't just food. It's a representation of shared joy and the collective embrace of tradition. Middle Eastern biryani is a true celebration of flavors, history, and culture. From the influence of Persian techniques to the bold spices brought in through trade, it's a dish that tells stories of connection and innovation. Its unique blend of dried fruits, nuts, fragrant spices, and tender meats creates more than a meal. It's an experience that reflects the generosity and warmth of the region. Whether shared during festive holidays, family gatherings, or community celebrations, biryani holds a cherished place in Middle Eastern traditions. It's more than food. It's a symbol of togetherness and gratitude. Ready to bring a taste of the Middle East into your own kitchen? Explore recipes, experiment with ingredients, and enjoy the journey. There's no better way to connect with history and your loved ones than over a plate of homemade biryani. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.